Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your um, Thursday morning update. Terrific Thursday update. Um, we have our winter weather system moving in. Right now, it's light rain pretty much everywhere. This is the time schedule timeline, and it's pretty much similar to what I told you and I mapped out for you. So the changeover to light snow to moderate snow, depending on where you are, take place between 7 and 8 a.m., pretty much from west to east and north to south. And then that should last through 2 to 3 p.m. The snow moves off to the east, lingering longer along the coast through 5. Now, these amounts are in line with what I pretty much have laid out for you. I might be a little bit, my range may be a little bit higher up north, depending on that deformation zone that sets up here in the north, and then lighter amounts downstate to possibly not much. So I wouldn't worry about a morning commute downstate or even upstate because um, the changeover might actually not completely take over until the atmosphere cools itself down, and it can still snow, but it really won't lay on surfaces unless it's really intense heavy. So uh, I wouldn't get too over the top if you see some snow early, as you're no snow as you're going into work, and then all of a sudden you get there and it starts to snow. And I wouldn't worry about the evening commute because it's all going to be pretty much brushed to the side, and it's not going to barely impact. Just be careful of some icy spots, but it should be a smooth sailing home as well. Let's go to, I want to show you radar. And to the left, you're seeing the precipitation depiction on the left, and you're looking at the radar reflectivity on the right. So right now, let me move me. We've got some fairly decent bands here in off of in the on the eastern shore crossing the Chesapeake. Now this is all rain, of course, and it's just sort of concentrated to the north right now. So what this system's going to do? It's going to set up. It's going to elongate, okay, across from west to east, and then the Arctic front, once the winds shift, are going to push that system down from north to south. So pretty much it's rain. It's rain everywhere right now, or light rain everywhere. And then as the morning wears on, it will change over to snow. And the Saturday system, I'm not too impressed with. So I'm not even going to really talk about it because it's just not. There's too many factors, and when you as a forecaster, when you have to waffle back and forth, this long, and the event is like within 48 hours, you're like, or yeah, 48, 7, 60 hours, you're like, you know what, this isn't going to do anything. So I think we're fine for Saturday, but cold. So here's the same depiction that I just showed you on the models. Changeover taking place. I have to say, folks, I'm not impressed. And depictions are even a little bit more, or a little bit more less impressive. So um, we get what we get, and we see what happens. All right. All right, that's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios. Have a great day.